How to delete repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a repost on TikTok in just a few seconds. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in a profile section, you simply have to tap on the repost icon, which can be seen under the add bio option. So here, simply tap on it, and here you'll see all the posts that you have reposted. Now here you simply have to tap on the video that you want to delete, and here once you're inside the video you simply have to tap on the share button, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now here from the pop-up menu you simply have to tap on the option labeled as remove repost, and that's it. That's how you can delete repost on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.